we go home now? It's getting later, baby. Can we go home now? I think it's time to give up. We're on our own now. Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial. It's Clint, where I teach you guys how to play your favorite songs easily and in detail. And so for today's video, we're going to be looking at the song Sweet Boy by Malcolm Todd. First up, I'd just like to say a quick thank you to this person right here for suggesting this song for me to teach. Thank you very much for that. So quick disclaimers first, I'm going to be learning this song as close and as accurate to its original audio as possible, as if you're going to be playing this all by yourself with your acoustic or electric guitar. And aside from that, I'm going to be showing you guys how to play this song as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so when it comes to the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. First up is going to be the A sharp minor 7 chord. It's going to be like this. That's going to be 6, dead string, 6, 6, 6, dead string. Next up is going to be the D sharp 7 chord. It's going to be dead string, 6, 8, 6, 8, 6. While using our index finger with the support of our middle finger to bar on that 6th fret, starting from the A string down to the high E string, while having a dead string in the lower E string. The next up is going to be the C minor 7 chord. It's going to be this one right here. And that is going to be dead string, 3, 5, 3, 4, 3. While using our index finger to bar the 3rd fret from the A string down to the high E string. The next up is going to be the F7 chord. It's going to be this one right here. Yep, same thing as the D sharp 7 chord, but we're just going to be moving it from the 6th fret to the 8th fret. And that is going to be dead string, 8, 10, 8, 10, 8. Next up is going to be the C7 chord. Same thing, moving this from the 8th fret to the 3rd fret. And that's going to be dead string, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3. And then lastly, it's going to be the F minor 7 chord. It's going to be this one right here. Same thing with the C minor 7 chord. Just going to be moving it from the 3rd fret to the 8th fret. That's going to be dead string, 8, 10, 8, 9, then 8. Okay, so when it comes to the strumming pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. So it's going to be down, down, slap, down, down, slap. Allow me to break that down for you guys. So it's going to be down strum, slapping your fretboard. Once again, down strum, kind of waiting it out for one count. Then it's going to be down strum, then slapping. Yep. So when it comes to slapping your fretboard, make sure that it hits this part of your palm. Yep, that big meaty part right there. Make sure that you just do that. You can also assist with your chords as well. So it's going to be... You kind of do that, or at least releasing the tension in your fingers so that you get a more percussive feel that way. When it comes to the chords that you're using, making sure that you slap, and then as you slap, you're going to be releasing the tension in your fingers. Yep, so it's going to be at the same time. So when it comes to strumming, if you prefer using your fingers, I recommend using this part of your index finger for the down strum. But when it comes to a pick, it's going to be more straightforward than that, as you're just going to be doing downward motions for the down strums. Now with that said, when it comes to holding a pick, make sure that your pick is perpendicular with your thumb like so, and then pinching it with your index finger, only allowing the tip to stick out right there, and making sure that your hand, wrist, and your forearm is not too loose nor too tight, so that you'll be able to comfortably strum with your pick. Yep, so it's going to be. And with that said, the entire strumming pattern will be worked for 4 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. Okay, so when it comes to the chord progression that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. First up is going to be the A sharp minor 7 chord. It's going to be like this. D sharp 7. Then after that's going to be the C minor 7 chord for 4 counts. F7. Once again, A sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts. A sharp 7. This time it's going to be the C7 chord for 4 counts. Then after that's going to be the F minor 7 chord for 4 counts. And so all in all, we've got A sharp minor 7, A sharp 7, C minor 7, F7, A sharp minor 7, A sharp 7, C7, and the F minor 7 chord. Yep, and then after that, we're just going to be repeating that entire thing. And that's going to be your entire song basically, from start to finish. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. When we go home now, it's getting later, baby. When we go home now, I think it's time to give up. We're on our own now. No place to travel crazy. Don't share our home now. I'm okay till tonight. Times get broken. You need space and you're not that when I'm not late now. I'm not there and you're just fine, but I'm okay till tonight. So yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for reaching this point of the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for future videos. And if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'll try to do it for you. And you can now also show your support by sending a super thanks smile down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other Malcolm Todd guitar tutorial right here, or other guitar tutorials for that matter, just click these ones right here. It's all good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.